Hi, my name is Savannah, and I found three bullet points notes from this article that I thought were important to note. The first one is a quote. It says, "Products packaged with a heavily marketed brand are found by preschoolers to be tastier than those same foods in plain packaging." And I found this interesting because I can remember being young and thinking, let's say Cheetos, for instance, the Cheetos that you see on commercials with the line and the name brand Cheetos are going to taste better than the off-brand ones that you say you get from Dollar General. It just that made sense to me as a young child, and to see this quote, I thought it was very interesting. The next thing I thought was interesting was that although this article pointed out that the researchers were focusing on commercial television, I think that it would be interesting to redo the research and look at the time that we live in now, because the generation that we live in watches a lot of non-commercial screening TV, such as streaming services like Netflix and stuff. So I would be interested to see how the non-commercial TV affects BMI and how this research article would possibly change. And then the last thing I noted was um, there was a quote, and it says, "Across two studies, a child's brand knowledge was shown to be a significant predictor of their BMI, even after controlling for age and gender, and when also considering the extent of their TV viewing." And then what I thought was interesting about how brand knowledge affected BMI was, is it the brand knowledge and the high BMI because the child is commonly eating these foods, or is it really because of TV commercials and brand knowledge through that? And what I mean by that is, when children eat let's say McDonald's, when children are eating McDonald's commonly, and if the parents are giving their children that, they're going to have a firsthand experience and create brand knowledge from that. So is that what's correlated with the high BMI, or is it really the TV commercials? So I found that interesting to think about. Is it really, like, do the TV commercials have anything to do with it? Or is it actually just them having common exposure to these brands over time? And yeah, so it was very interesting for me to read about. Thanks.